guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bright. Today we're gonna talk about AI. AI is changing the way we work, learn, and create. But the good news is you don't need to pay anything to start using powerful AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that everyone should know in 2026. These tools can help you write faster, design graphics, do research, and be more productive. So let's get started. First one on the list is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI assistants in the world. You can ask it questions, generate ideas, write emails, and you can even get help with coding. So ChatGPT is my go-to free AI assistant, and I use it every day to reply email, write resume, and write cover letters and generate ideas. For example, you can type a prompt like write a professional email to ask for a job interview. Within seconds, ChatGPT will write a complete email for you. You can also do things like you upload your resume and then ask ChatGPT to tailor your resume to match job descriptions. One thing about AI is it can hallucinate. For some of the multiple choice questions online, I found out that it can be wrong sometimes, so make sure to double check the ChatGPT answer before you use it. You don't need an account to start using ChatGPT, but if you want to see your previous chats, you should have an account. If you're new to AI, this is the best place to start. Next one is Google Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI assistant, and it works similar to ChatGPT, but it is deeply connected to Google's ecosystem. You can use it to research topics, summarize information, translate the paragraph to your language, and also generate ideas and learn new skills. I really like Gemini for summarizing information. For example, whenever I learn a new subject, like a financial term which is new to me, I always translate the paragraph into Burmese because I'm Burmese, and then they will even give the summarized information, the translation to each word. It's very useful tools. For example, you can ask, summarize this information in Burmese. Gemini will give you clear explanation, and sometimes they even give you the extra information. For this tool, you don't need to have an account as well. You can use for free, but if you want to see previous chats, you will need to have an account. This tool is useful for students, researchers, and people who use Google service regularly. The third tool is Claude, developed by Anthropic. Claude is known for very good at writing and understanding long documents. You can use Claude to write blog posts, analyze documents, summarize PDFs, and brainstorm ideas. For example, you could upload a document and ask, summarize this document in 5 key points. Claude is great if you work with long text, reports, and research material. Fourth on the list is Canva. Canva is one of the easiest tools for beginners, and it now includes powerful AI features. I always use it for thumbnails and designs, and it's one of the best design tools. With Canva, you can use it for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentation, and AI generated images. For example, if you are a content creator or social media manager, you can create social media posts or YouTube thumbnail within minutes by using their templates and AI tools. The best part is you don't need to have a design experience to use Canva. It's very easy to use. So the final tool is Perplexity AI. Perplexity is like a combination of a search engine and an AI assistant. Instead of giving you the link to the information that you need, Perplexity will give you the summarized information as well as links. For example, you could ask what are the best AI tools for beginners. Perplexity will show you the information you need as well as the sources and the links to the information that they use. This makes a great tool for research and learning quickly. Let's quickly recap the 5 AI tools. ChatGPT, best AI assistant. Google Gemini, great for research. Claude, excellent at writing. Canva, great for design. And Anthropic, great for research. All of these tools are free versions, and you can start using AI today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI tools for beginners, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments which AI tool you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.